Welcome back to Sugarbearwx. What makes tornado warning sirens so confusing? Outdoor warning sirens are just that for people that are outdoors. Their purpose is to alert people about dangerous weather conditions, prompting them to seek shelter and stay informed. Outdoor warning sirens are not designed to alert people inside their homes, basements, or during the middle of the night when windows are closed. This is why you hear people that cover weather events say that you need to have multiple ways to receive warnings. Some of those ways include weather radios, television, radio, and social media are all ways you can get multiple ways to receive warnings. Outdoor sirens are great for their intended purpose, but far too many people count on them in ways that could put them in danger. Also, in some areas, tornado warning sirens are used for other purposes such as destructive severe thunderstorms, civil emergencies, and impending dangers that could affect the lives and property in the general vicinity. Stay tuned to Sugar Bear Weather for more updates on the weather and more learning opportunities.